Employee's first time using the tractor going down the ramp of the dump trailer.
The brake.
The brake is their left foot, like a car, man. Oh yeah, that one. There you go. You gotta put it in gear, stupid. Put your foot on the brake. There you go, that one. Put your foot on the brake. Your foot on the brake. Your brake is the left foot. Slow. No, hey, the bucket. Yo. Nettie. The bucket. No. The bucket. The front bucket is caught. Such an idiot. Ah, too much. Whoa. Hey. I'll do it.
Hey, quit recording, bro. Stop recording.
I'll do it. Slow. There you go. You're good now. You're good.